Welcome back, Laura.
I don't want to be pregnant, and it's not my birthday. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is hysterical.
I'm good because I didn't know.
Wow.
Yay, welcome back.
You guys.
Mumble.
I don't even know where to start.
Oh, wait a minute. Now you need the shot of her getting in it.
I'm just gonna get in it.
Oh, yeah.
How long did this guy take you guys? This was so cool. Wow. I love it.
Yeah?
Love it.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I don't even know. Like,
Oh, your
wow.
morning's now booked.
What's that?
Your morning's now booked.
It is. So now I know what you guys were doing while I
Yeah.
was gone. That's awesome. That is so cool. That's neat.
Yeah?
How